Yo, let's make some Banh Xeo. Woo! This is how crispy it is. I also cracked an egg in here. So there are a few methods to eat your Banh Xeo. Depending on how you like it, you can just put this whole thing in a bowl, put fish sauce in, and just put all the veggies in, and then just eat like that. Or if you're more patient, then you roll it up individually. So these are green mustard leaves. You can also use lettuce too, but I like mustard leaf. It gives it a little bit more crunch and more flavor. And you can also use rice paper. In this case, I'm using both rice paper, mustard greens. Throw this big stem in too. That gives it like a nice crunch. We have some like green shiso leaf, Vietnamese shiso. These are yap cá. I don't know the English name for it, but we got some kind of mint. These are mango shreds. So to make up for all the greasiness from this, we eat a lot of veggies with this. Take a piece of this, bam. Some veggies and meat in there. Squid head in. I saw on TikTok, someone did this, chopsticks, and then they roll it. First time doing this, guys. Let's see if it works. Then we just roll it, roll it. That's if you're doing this, just holding your hand like this, and you have no plate. So now it's rolled up. Okay, loosen it, take out the chopstick, and you got your roll. Look at that. In with our fish sauce. Mmm. Mmm. Can't beat this on a rainy day. All right, let's make our batter. Of course, we need rice flour. You can also buy the pre-made package one, but I always find those not to be too crispy. So we'll go with the original route. So 1 part rice flour. This is 1 bag. A 1/4 part cornstarch. I'm just gonna eye it here. Okay. A couple teaspoons of salt. A couple teaspoons of turmeric powder. It doesn't take a lot for this to be yellow too, so. I do not have a whisk. I am sorry. All right, it looks fairly white right now, right? Not much yellow, but it will turn yellow. I use sparkling water. Some people use beer. The Banh Xeo kind of turned out to be a little bit bitter because of the beer. So, sparkling water, I am just going to eye it here. So what we're looking for is consistency. Okay, we got it all nice and smooth, no more lump. Coconut cream. I don't like too much coconut milk in mine. It makes you ngang. Ngang is a term in Vietnamese that is so creamy and rich that you can't eat as much. We got our green onions. Okay, now you check for the consistency of the batter. So it kind of depends on what you like. You want like a thin, crispy Banh Xeo, or you want like a thick, crunchy outside but chewy inside Banh Xeo. Just for context, this is a 28 fluid ounce. I just added in about 20 ounce. There's 8 ounce left. Probably add in just a little bit more. Now this is not ready to go yet. You have to let it sit, cover it up, let it sit for at least 1 to 2 hours, just so the batter can rise. So after we marinate all of our protein, this is actually ready to make the Banh Xeo. But what my mom showed me is that you want to stir fry these and cook these first. That way when you make the Banh Xeo, it's quicker, it's faster, so you don't have to wait for these to cook inside the Banh Xeo. Right, I got my Banh Xeo station all set up. Even got a chair out because you do not want to be standing here for hours doing this.